Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Google Chrome is freezing or crashing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer and laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Google Chrome is freezing or crashing on your Windows 11 and 10, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to copy this command. I will provide this command in my video description link. You can just copy from there. Just select, copy and press Windows plus R key together and paste it here and click on OK. In this you need to scroll down a little bit. You need to find local state. Just select this file and delete it and close this window. Before closing the window, you need to do another one setting. You can see a default folder. You just need to rename this folder. Just right click on that and click on rename. Whatever you want. For example, I will rename it as .123 and close this window. Guys, after doing this, try the third option. Just open your Chrome browser, click on this three dot, click on more tools, click on extensions. If you find here any extensions like Adobe Flash Player or some other video player related extensions, you need to disable that type of extensions. After disabling, you can disable like this. You can see here, this is Google Docs offline. This is enable. You just need to disable like this. After that, just close this window. If still it is not working, then again you have to click on this three dot, click on settings. In left side you can see here reset and clean up. Just click on that, click on restore setting to the original default and click on reset setting. All your Google Chrome setting will be resetted. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome crashing or freezing on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.